Hi out there in internet land, my name's Kat. Today I'm here at the Dinosaur Museum along with my co-host, the Platycarpus, to talk to you a little bit about our friend the Velociraptor. That's right, the Ballooniverse is a vast and interesting place, and it goes back all the way to the time of the dinosaurs, where little guys like this roamed free. This is a simple little one balloon design that anyone can make. It's one of the first designs that I came up with on my own a few months ago. I was twisting here at the museum and figured I might kind of need that pattern. Since there is a new Jurassic World movie coming out, I believe it's next year, I thought, hey, why not share? It'll give me a little bit of practice on making tutorials, and maybe some of you guys would want it too. Sorry, a plant just tried to attack me. Now, this little guy has one thing in common with the dinosaurs from the movies, and that is that he is not life-size. But maybe a little bit closer. I don't know. What do you guys think? Now for this pattern, you'll just need one 260 balloon. I will be using a periwinkle blue because I like that color. However, as we don't know what color a Velociraptor really was, feel free to use whatever color you want. Now, as you can see, I've inflated this, I'd say it's about halfway. Leave a good sized tail on there, about 4 inches or so. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is make the snout. That's about 1.5 inches, a little under 2 inches. Followed by the eyes. Those are going to be about the same size, about 1 inch apiece. And you're going to want to twist this part here into this part here. And there you have the head. Now keep squeezing your balloon as you go along because you don't want it to pop on you and scare any dinosaurs that you might be sitting next to because they have sharp teeth and they don't like being scared. Now this bubble is going to be the neck. It's about the same size as the snout, about 1.5 inches, maybe a little longer, just a little less than 2 inches. Followed by another 1 inch bubble. Now this one you're going to turn into a pinch twist just to stabilize things. So you fold this part over. You're going to want to pull this guy up and twist it around, pinching it as you do so. It's also called an ear twist. You can see it looks kind of like a little teddy bear ear there. Keep squeezing for the arms. You're going to make 4 bubbles. First one's going to be about 2 inches, followed by 2 that are about 1 inch apiece, and then another 2 inch for the other arm. You're going to fold this guy here, right here where the other arm meets the pinch twist. Make sure that the tail end of your balloon is pointed out the bottom there. And that's the top half of your Velociraptor. For the body, make it a little bit longer than the neck and the snout. About the same length as the arms, maybe about 2 inches. And at this point, I always secure that by holding it between my fingers so that it won't come undone on you. Now you should be almost to the end of your balloon by this point, and you'll make the legs. It'll be about the same size again as the neck and the snout, about 1.5 inches. Just a little shorter actually than the body. We're going to want to do another little pinch twist here at the bottom. And that's just going to hold the feet in place. If anyone asks you what it is, you can just tell them it's its back claw or its heel, whatever works for you. Now you're going to want to do the feet, which are going to be 2 little bubbles about the same size. You're going to want to fold this one here into this one here. Now at this point, if you want, you can just let go of this, it'll come undone, but you can just worry about twisting it back later. That's what I do sometimes, just to save a little bit of time so I don't have to worry about holding it like that. Now squeeze the balloon all the way out to the end, and if you've still got this one twisted, that's great. Just make another balloon out of this one the same size and twist them together. If not, if it came undone on you like this guy did, then you can just kind of see the point where the legs should go. Take them and twist them together. And then you can adjust. Make sure everything's facing the right direction. And you basically have your Velociraptor complete. Now what I like to do at this point is I make a little S shape out of the tail. And kind of massage it, just squeeze a little bit, and that gives it some shape. And there you go, your very own little Velociraptor. Now for the artwork on this guy, you get out your Sharpie or whatever it is you're using. And the first thing I like to do is give him some claws. Because they had pretty sharp claws, you know, they're predators. So there you have the claws, and then for the mouth, I do some little triangles with a little smile line on each side. Because these guys are wily, and they're thinking about just how they're going to get ya. And having fun while they're doing it. At the eyes, you can make some ovals, or you could do more of a little slit like a cat eye if you want to make it look meaner. And a little check mark for the eyebrows, just to make it look kind of angry. And there you have it. One balloon Velociraptor. Yay! So thanks again for watching. I hope you have fun making this little balloon Velociraptor. If you want to learn more about the Dinosaur Museum, there should be a link in the description below. And have a wonderful day. By the way, did I tell you guys that you're looking really good today? Yeah, except you, sir. Yeah, over there in the recliner with the pizza boxes. Yeah, dude, take a shower. What do you think? Should I reshoot this? Yes. Yes, you should reshoot this. That was terrible.